Mobile wallet app GCash now lets you instantly transfer or deposit money to numerous banks through your app from wherever. The bank transfer feature allows you to transfer funds from your GCash wallet to your selected bank accounts without the hassle of lining up for hours. To view the list of available banks on the GCash app, tap on Bank Transfer on the dashboard. Then choose your preferred bank from the list. Some partner banks include BDO, BPI, China Bank, East West Bank, PNB, PS Bank, UCPB, and Union Bank. Step 1. Select Send Money, then send money to bank or bank transfer. Step 2. Select the bank of your choice and input the required details needed to process your transaction. Step 3. On the confirmation page, confirm the amount you wish to send. The bank transfer should be processed immediately. You will receive an SMS confirmation receipt for the transaction as well. Starting November 1st, 2020, a 15 peso fee will be charged per transaction.